Good evening, my friends. Today I will be doing my nighttime skincare routine together with you, and I'm going to show you all of the products that I use in order to achieve this plump, glowy, healthy skin with long-term anti-aging effects. Let's go. Welcome back, everyone. If you're new, my name is Anna and hopefully I'm your next favorite YouTuber. Here on this channel we talk about how beauty, style and all the cozy things can make our life better and how they can make us love ourselves even more. Today we're going to talk about the health of our skin, and I'm about to start my nighttime skincare routine right now. I already have my sleepy tea here, and I also have my nice smelling candle in here. The sleepy tea that I'm enjoying right now the most is by the brand Celestial. What is your favorite brand of sleepy tea if you love sleepy tea? Because I'm always looking to try new sleepy teas. And before we start, I need to tell that my skin type is sensitive. For those of you who are watching my channel for the first time, my skin is very sensitive. I have a long history of rosacea right now. I am very happy to be recovering from rosacea. I don't have any rosacea breakouts anymore, but I still have some redness very often. I have some uneven texture, enlarged pores in this area. I also have a little bit of fine lines in some places, and that's basically it. Let's start our routine, and the main active ingredient of our skincare routine today is going to be retinol. I really wanted to start my retinol journey, but I was really sad that I couldn't when I had rosacea because everything was making me break out. I really couldn't use anything except niacinamide. And now I'm so happy to have retinol in my routine. I am using this retinol already for half a year. I think I started seeing the results after 3 months already, or even less. After 2 months, I already started seeing that it helped my skin become better. It made it more glowy and it made it look healthier. And I feel like my fine lines started getting smaller. And also the retinol that I'm about to show you is, I think, a perfect option for people with sensitive skin and for people who are just starting to use retinol, who want to find the first product that will introduce them to retinol. This one is really light. So the retinol that I'm about to use is by Vichy. It is Vichy Lift Active Retinol Specialist Serum. It says it's for deep wrinkles. And here in this product you have 0.2% of pure retinol. 0.2% is a perfect amount for beginners with retinol. If you are really experienced, you can get up to 1% or even more of retinol. For me, it's a perfect start. This product looks white, but it's not going to leave a white cast on our face. So what you are supposed to achieve with retinol is that it's supposed to minimize your fine lines, your wrinkles, and it also is supposed to minimize your enlarged pores, and it's going to plump the skin. By the way, after the first time I already applied this product, like, I felt good. My skin felt nice and plump. Of course, these were not long-term effects after the first day, but I saw from the very first time I used it that my skin tolerated this product well, and I was really happy to find out about that. And another thing, if you have never used retinol before, you need to know that you are not supposed to use retinol each night from the very first night you use it. You have to start gradually. So first I started with 2 times per week, then I moved to 3 times per week, and now I'm able to use it every day, every night. When you're using retinol, you always need to remember that during the day you need to apply your sunscreen. And this product is done. We're going to move on to the eye cream. The eye cream that I'm going to use is going to be with retinol as well. This is Neutrogena Retinol Boost Eye Cream. The retinol in eye cream is so much lighter than in your face products. In the eye cream, you have in this one in particular, you have a concentration of the retinol of 0.02%, so that is so much lighter than what you have on the rest of your face, and that is normal. For the eyes, the concentration of your retinol is supposed to be up to 0.1. So 0.02 is not too little. It is completely normal for this area. It is very sensitive. And with the night cream, it's the same as with a face serum. You need to start with 2 times per week, then you move to 3 times per week, and then you will move to using it every single night. This eye cream is not super thick, but it's not very light either. It's not something that you would use in the morning, but for the night, I love it. Moving on, I'm going to use a brow serum, and soon it will be 3 months that I'm using this brow serum, and I cannot wait to analyze the results. I cannot wait to analyze if I actually grew my eyebrows more than usually with the help of this serum. The serum that I'm using is the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Lash and Brow Serum. This is something that's supposed to help you grow the hairs in your brows and your eyelashes faster and longer. I'm using this one religiously each night and each morning, and I think I've managed to get some results. We'll see. The video on my channel is going to go live very soon about this serum. I'm about to film it next week, I think. I'm very, very excited. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you want to see the video about this serum. And next we're going to use a moisturizer. And the moisturizer that I'm going to use today is one of my favorite moisturizers. It's very simple, but it's really good for sensitive skin. There is nothing odd in here, no fragrance, nothing really bad for your skin. So this is CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion for the night, PM. It moisturizes throughout the night and helps restore the protective skin barrier, oil-free. This is a mini version of it. I used to have a bigger version. This one is perfect for traveling. I also have 2 other moisturizers that I like to use with retinol. I'm going to show them to you. One of them is my absolutely favorite one, as it's very good for people with rosacea and for people with sensitive skin. It's Procure Rosacea Hyaluronic Hydrogel. Helps treat rosacea symptoms. That's the lightest of them all. When I want something light, I go for this one. And the other one is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream for extra dry skin. It's fragrance-free, hyaluronic acid, 47 milliliters in this jar. It looks quite fancy. I love the packaging, but this one, when I apply it on my skin, I feel a cooling effect, and I'm not always loving this cooling effect. So I use this one from time to time. Most days I'm using this one at night and this one in the morning. With retinol, I always make sure I don't forget to moisturize my skin for the retinol to be like sealed in underneath the layer of the moisturizer. And also there is like a method that helps you tolerate your retinol better, is making like a moisturizer sandwich. You apply moisturizer, then you apply retinol, and then you apply moisturizer again. But I feel like with a light retinol like mine, you really don't need to make the sandwich. Your skin is going to be well without it. So I just start with the retinol and then move on with the moisturizer. And that's it for the skin, I guess. I always like tap it really gently on my face. I never like do these motions, don't really rub, but make everything really gentle. And then the last step in my routine is applying a lip mask. The lip mask that I'm applying is Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in a shade Berry. It smells amazing. And for some reason, I feel like I'm sleeping better when I have this nice mask on my lips. The lip mask is done, and before I end up this video, I really wanted to remind you that there is no perfection of beauty that you really need to achieve, and flawless skin that we see on social media, it really doesn't exist. And in real life, people have texture and fine lines and enlarged pores, and this is completely normal to have all of those things, and you are all beautiful just the way you are. Don't forget that, and don't forget while doing your skincare routine to treat your skin with love. Don't treat it with hate, thinking that you want to get rid of something on your face. Treat your skin with love, please. I really hope that you enjoyed doing this nighttime skincare routine together with me. If you have any questions about the products that I use, or about sensitive skin routine, please write them in the comments below. I will be happy to answer you, and I will see you very soon. Bye.